Going to present my paper, Use of E-Resources through Consortia, a boon to users of Indian University Libraries. Change is the law of nature, and as is very apparent in the present library culture, libraries are not exempt from change, which is affecting almost every activity in the library. A few decades back, Lancaster talked about the paperless society. R.G. Parashar stated in his one book, paperless society is a distant dream. That day has gone when it was only a dream. Now that very day idea sounds whimsical all over the world. However, we took a step towards a paperless society very rapidly, and the most of the libraries, particularly university and special libraries, began to allocating separate funds for e-resources. An electronic resource is defined as any resource which requires computer access, means an electronic resource which consists of materials that are computer controlled. E-resources are resources in which information is stored electronically and which are also accessible through electronic system and networks. Basically, the term e-resource means any electronic product that delivers collection of data in text, numerical, graphical or time-based as a commercially available resource. Types of e-resources. Basically, two types of e-resources are online e-resources and other e-resources. Online e-resources include e-journal, e-books, online databases, websites, and other resources are CD-ROM, diskettes, other portable computer databases. Some advantages and disadvantages of e-resources are: advantages: multi-access, tremendous speed, functionality, content, international reach, unlimited capabilities, convenience, searchability and linking. And some disadvantages are insufficient availability, new media and subscription cost. Basically, according to 31st edition of University Handbook, we had only 279 university level institutions, but that is already exceed more than 400 universities. And these all have library system to support education, learning and research and meet information needs to their academic and research community. These are the hub for information storage and dissemination. The Library Consortia is a group of 2 or more libraries which have agreed to cooperate one with another in order to fulfill certain similar needs, usually resource sharing. It usually refers to cooperation, coordination and collaboration between and amongst libraries for the purpose of sharing information. Consortia are basically evolving a form of cooperation among the libraries which come together to share resources electronically. It has been emerging as a new concept that facilitates to get the benefit of wider access of electronic resources at affordable cost and at best terms of licenses. It has gained momentum even in developing countries like India. Some of the successful library consortia set up so far in India are UGC Infonet eJournal Consortium, Indian National Digital Library in Engineering, Science and Technology, INDEST Consortium, Inter-University Centers, IUC DAEF Consortia, Health Science Library and Information Network, HELINET, Forum for Resource Sharing and Astronomy and Astrophysics, FORSA, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR eJournal Consortium, UGC Infonet eJournal Consortium. UGC Infonet eJournal Consortium initiative was undertaken by the UGC to facilitate free access to scholarly e-journals and databases in all fields and disciplines by the research and academic community across the country through joint partnership of UGC, Implement and ARNET. This includes interlinking universities and colleges in the country electronically with a view to achieving maximum efficiency through internet-enabled teaching, learning and governance. Some of the major e-resources made available through UGC Infonet Consortia are American Chemical Society, American Institute of Physics, American Physical Society, Annual Review, Biological Abstract, Cambridge University Press Journal, Encyclopedia Britannica, Institute of Physics, Gesture, Nature, Project Mouse Journals, Royal Society of Chemistry, Science Online, Science Finder Scholars, etc. INDEST AICT Consortium. INDEST Consortium was set up by the Ministry of HRD Government of India in 2003. That consortium was set up for 38 centrally funded government institutions including IITs, IISs, NITs and some other institutions are the core member of the INDEST AICT Consortium. The ministry provides funds required for providing access to electronic resources to the core members through the consortium. Its headquarters set up at IIT Delhi. Some e-resources through INDEST Consortium are AVI Information Complete, ACM Digital Library, American Society of Civil Engineers Online Journals, American Society of Mechanical Engineers Journals, ASTM International Standard and Journal Standards, Journals, Capital N, DLEI Compendex Plus, and Engineering Science Data Unit, Global Market Information Database, Inspect on EL Village, IEEE Advoli Electronic Library Online, Indian Standards, Math Science Net, Nature Project Science Journals, Science Directs and Spingerling. Academic libraries have really understood that consortium-based subscription is cost-effective and also avoids redundant expenses and duplicate subscriptions. The effort of UGC Infonet and INDEST AICT Consortium are applicable and will definitely strengthen higher education system in India. Free and or highly subsidized access to scholarly resources will help educational institutions in fulfill their mission into reality. In the long run, consortia approach will be much more popular in user community, and that day is not so far behind when consortia approach will extend the country's information base. Thank you.